Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Steam store. So Steam is a store for playing games on different operating systems like Mac, Windows, Chrome OS and Linux. So this is the website of Steam store. Here you can download lot many different kinds of game and play it on your system. So first you have to log in, you have to create a login and then you have to log in with your created login, and then you can explore the store, install the games. So free to play games, free demos, paid games, everything is available on the store. You have to just purchase. So online purchase is available. You can also get some credits and points for the games that you have paid for, and then you can reuse the credits and points to purchase further games. You can purchase different game maps. There is some gaming hardware also available. So all those things you can do it from the store itself. So first of all, the different categories of games are there, like top sellers, new releases, upcoming games, special games, VR titles. So virtual reality games are also available. Controller friendly games are there. So these games have uh, uh, compatibility with different hardware like the Nintendo, Sony PlayStation, and the Microsoft game controller. So this will have very good compatibility with the game controllers. So you can play it on any platform or any game controller of your choice. So if you got a Sony PlayStation, you can play this game. Same game can be played with ease on a Microsoft machine. Then great on deck category of games is there. You can also browse by the type of game like free to play, early access, action, adventure, casual, indie games, massively multiplayer, racing games, RPG, simulation games, sports and strategy. You can see here this all categories are shown here. You can also browse the Steam store for new releases, special free games, or by special user tags also you can search. So here you can see all the game titles are shown here. So they are being curated by the Steam team for you. And in new and noteworthy section, the top sellers, most played games will be shown. There will be promos and events. Special offers will be there time to time where you can purchase the games at special prices. There will be some bundling also. So you can have two games at special price, or there will be some game controllers on sale for special prices. There will be sale events also time to time around the year. Then you can also check out new releases, upcoming releases. There will be news and updates. So what will be recently updated about the developments in different games. So what is new in different games, upcoming updates to the games, everything will be shown here. Then the Steam year in the review, Steam Next Fest will be there, the Steam Awards. So awards will be given to different games based on their popularity, ease of play, and all those kinds of different parameters will be there for giving the Steam Awards. Then in categories, you can see lot many categories are there. So these are all the special categories we already checked. So you can play games on Mac OS, Steam OS plus Linux for PC caps, and of course the Chrome OS is also there where you can play Steam. In the types of game, you got action, arcade and rhythm, fighting, martial arts, first person shooter, hack and slash, platformer and runner, third person shooter, shmup, turn-based strategy, tower defense, strategy RPG, roguelike, real-time strategy, military party-based, JRPG, Grand and 4X, City and Settlement, adventure RPG, action RPG, and the card and board type of game. So strategy, role-playing, action, adventure, simulation, sports and racing. So in simulation, building and automation, dating, farming and crafting, hobby and job, life and immersive, sandbox and physics, space and flight, team sports, sports sim, racing, individual sports, fishing, and all sports. These are all categories available in the sports and racing section. And you can also download themes for your system like anime, horror, my mystery and detective, open world, sci-fi and cyberpunk, space and survival. And there will be player support available. For there will be support for the LAN, local and party, MMO, multiplayer mode, online competitive, single player, cooperative. So these are all the player modes where you can join other players on the LAN, on the internet. You can have online competitions also. You can play single on the net. Everything, all those different kinds and settings for the games is available. And this is the point shop where you can use your points to purchase new games. You can purchase the game hardware. So all these things are available in the point shop. So while the point shop is opening, let us check out the news and games. So sorry, this is not news and yes, we will have to use the link here and labs also. So this is, I think, that is okay. So this is the news. So here you can check out all the news. So these are the different news, fresh news today regarding Dead Cells, Call of Duty, EA Sports FC, that is football. Stories from the featured curators. These are the yesterday's news. So all this you can check it out. Then you got global news and events. So featured news, Steam official news. So this is the Steam official Steam blog and news. These are the news curated. Also, you can have options and filters, so you can filter out certain kinds of games. So if you're not interested in certain kind of games, those can be filtered, and only the games and news that you're interested in can be filtered in. So those only will be available for you to watch and read. Now, these are the Steam labs. So here you can participate in the different kinds of experiments that the Steam developers are doing. So there is a discovery queue where you can explore one game at a time in a new focused experience. So any upcoming games, those will be available here for you to try out. There will be micro trailers, so 6-second trailer for every Steam game that is going to get released or it is upcoming. Then you can explore DLC for games you own. So here all the different rough and ephemeral experiments will be there. So you can take part, you can check that out on your system, how it is working. Then I think the feedback mechanism will be also there that you can give feedback to the Steam developers. So everything is there for you in the game labs. So now I will close this. News also I will close. Yes. So now what is pending is we have completed the bottom tab. In the top tab here, you can go to the community page. So you can link with other community members on Steam, and then you can share your experiences, share your cheats and all those kind of things. Suppose some player is not able to play certain games, or there is a hardware issue or software issue, you can advise him based on your experience how to solve the problems. You can also upload the recorded content that you have recorded. Certain games, if you recorded, you can share with others users. So all these kinds of things is available. So first you are required to sign in, and then only you can connect with other players. So I think there will be popular hubs for gaming hubs. So for example, Counter Strike hub will be there where all the players playing Counter Strike, you will able to meet them, chat with them. All those kinds of things will be available in this community area of Steam. And there will be some official content for all games and software on Steam, so that also you can check out. So there will be some workshop, news, guides. So guides will be there, reviews of the games that you can check out in the communities area or the community section of Steam. Screenshots of different games will be there, artwork will be there, broadcast regarding some games from their game developers, all those kinds of things, videos, some short videos for the games, upcoming games, all those things, everything will be available here. Now in the about section you can see, so here you can download the Steam package and you can install it on your system. So it is available here for the PC then Mac and Chrome OS. For Linux, you have to install it from the native store, that is the Linux distro store. So it might be GNOME store, it might be Octopi. You can download it maybe from the this Arch Linux repository. So repositories will contain the installer for the individual Linux distributions, and you can install it from there. And here you can join the community also from the about section. You can experience the Steam hardware. You can check out the game, so you can release your game here. So learn about the Steamworks. The different features of the Steam store are: you can have a Steam chat, so you can talk with friends or groups via the text voice without leaving the Steam store. You can share videos, tweets, GIFs, and more, which are supported. You have to use it wisely. You have to follow the community guidelines. Then there will be game hubs where you can learn everything about your game, share your experiences, everything in really one place. You can join discussions about different games. You can upload the content. For example, if you have recorded any video while playing the game, that you can upload it here. Be the first to know about the new updates that are going to come up for the games you are playing. You can also use the Steam broadcast to stream your gameplay live with the click of a button and share your game with friends or the rest of the community. You can join the Steam workshop where you can create, discover and download player related mods and cosmetics for nearly 1,000 supported games. You can play the Steam games on your mobile if your mobile CPU and GPU support it. If they are well capable, you can play it on your mobiles also. Early access to the game, so you can discover, play and get involved with games as they evolve. Be the first to see what is coming and become part of the process. There is multilingual support for the Steam store, so you can use the language of your choice for the Steam store, and then it will become more easy for you to discover the Steam games and the content inside the Steam store. Purchases are also made easy. So the store, that is the Steam store, will support 100 plus payment methods across over 35 currencies and giving you the flexibility to pay how you want. And there's of course the controller support that we talked about. So Steam encourages developers to include controller support in their games, including PlayStation, Xbox and the Nintendo. So Xbox is from the Microsoft, Nintendo is there, and the PlayStation is there. So these three game controllers will have good support in many of the games that are available on the your Steam store. And in the Steam help, you have to log in and you can have support for the different games, the different features of the Steam store itself. So all those support for games and the Steam store will be available here. So to access it, first you have to log in. So you can do the login and it will be very easy to find. You have to just for example, if you want to have support for the games, for example Counter Strike, there is a issue you are facing, then you have to go to the Counter Strike tab or the Counter Strike section, open it, and there you will find listed all the common problems that users or the gamers face with the Counter Strike game. Then you have to search for the specific problem you are facing. If it is there, then you have to apply the solution given there. If it is not there, then you can raise a ticket for the same with the developers, and then you might get a solution after some time. So I think that's it. We have covered the Steam store that is available online, and in the next video we are going to do the installation of Steam store on our system. So I will be installing Steam on Debian, and then we will check out how to install games, and then we will play games of different types on the Debian, and I will upload the videos so you can enjoy, and you can also install Steam on your system and play the games you like. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.